Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm Go Haishin, just our newest products on my right hands. This countertop stylings, the meat slicers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like 19 inches. And the depth of the units, they are almost about like 14 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 14.5 inches. And for the diameter of this pan, it is about like 10 inches. So as we can see, these units, they come in with this is a shape adjusters. They can give you the different levels. You can twist it to making the pan to slide in the different size of the meat. And also they do have a holding bars for you to push in to sliding the meats you want. And on back of the units, we do having a power connections right here, and also have a switchers on the side. They come in with the ETL sanitation stickers on the machine too. And these units coming with the 110 standard plugs, and we can see the manufacturer already prepared the heights on these units. And for this handlebar side, they also can adjust this meat, how deep of it. Let me give you the dimensions of it. For maximum space, it is about like 5 inches. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.